See if you can take that guy?
I tried.
Oh.
It drops right before him.
That was pretty funny how that guy was arguing with Toad.
Why? Why would you do that?
That's a text message. Oh, I see him. Are you dead? Yeah. Okay. Woo! You know, he pulled out his pistol and started shooting, but he didn't have a mag in it.
Didn't you already have him though?
Yeah! Man, I shot him up pretty good too, but he still came at me, so. Can you hit this dude? Yeah, right here.
Oh, they got him. Right on the other side.
Where? This way? Oh, I see him. Good shit, good shit. There's another one back there. Yeah, there's spawns right here. We should push to the right. Plus, there's no way to cross over here anyway. Let's move out of their area. Huh? Yeah. This way? Okay. That sniper's back on the left.
Yeah, I think that's our buddy.
Okay. Yeah, move up. Nice. I got another one in front of me somewhere, careful. He's running back. I'm moving right. You still need like a box of ammo you could throw down. I got one guy's retreating further back towards their spawn. That's about it for my area. Whoa. All right, Edwin. Watch your left too.
Hey guys, you gotta get moving. Let's go. Just push in straight.
Well, you got a guy parallel.
Let's go. I got you. Ah, hit!
Sniper.
Left side! Up.
Eric, watch your right.
I almost hit you.
Here, bud, let me take your spot. I don't mean to be rude.
Okay. On the light.
Fuck. He's down there across the trail.
Need a battery?
Do I need a battery?
Yeah. I just ammo. Move up.
Yeah. Watch out, there's a sniper over that way.
Which way?
Front. Sniper in that ghillie suit guy I attacked. He's back down there.
Flank that side?
No, there's a fucking river unless you want to go swimming. Yeah, but we need to get the...
Hey guys, let's back off. And
But don't we need to capture something?
Well, no,
Eric, they're covered. They're in cover. You could get up and shoot.
yeah, that's the
Sorry. Right where those tires are at in front of you. You see those tires with the white box on it? The white flat box? Yeah. Where's this last mine at, dude? Is it supposed to be in here?
I don't know. Yeah, this gal, that dark gal that just walked up to their spawn's right there. Let's get out of here, guys.
Light team, pull out. We're too close to their spawn. Apparently, from what we heard, it's right over here where we're shooting. But we need to look for this mine. If you guys want to, just stay pretty far back from your spawn. You can move back if you want. Go ahead, I got you covered.
Thank you. You got a guy right there.
Alright, my turn. How we supposed to know what this mine looks like with all this garbage?
I know.
It's a white penny.
A white penny?
It's a penny that's been painted white.
Are you kidding me?
Out of all the colors, you can paint it.
They weren't too hard to spot through.
You,
Yeah, they're not. It's not like them just throwing them.
Yeah, we saw about 6 of them right here behind his head.
Yeah.
I don't know.
We should probably have like a person watching.
watch that way, bro. You don't want to get shot. You can teach me how to run across the road? Do you know anywhere this fucking last penny is supposed to be, or mine?
I don't know. We've been up and down this fucking road. Yeah, we've done. We went up. How about these? Is it supposed to be on one of these or one of these? You said all on this one from here.
Maybe someone picked it up and we don't know.
Somebody picked it up. I think one of the darks picked it up. Threw it up. I've got 29 of them. Yeah, and me and somebody, like, it's on this main road.
We walked down that road.
What's this wall pushing back?
How far up the road are they supposed to be?
We pushed him all the way.
Dude, we went all the way back to that main road back there.
I mean this direction though. When does this road technically stop?